Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to another video. This is Mitchell with Mitchell Makes Vids. Want to start investing today, even if you've never invested before, and get free stock just for signing up? I'm about to show you how. This is SoFi Invest, a beginner-friendly investing platform that lets you buy and sell stocks and ETFs commission-free, invest with as little as $25, and build long-term wealth without complicated fees or huge minimums. Here's why I like SoFi Invest and why you will too. You pay $0 when you buy or sell stocks and ETFs, which means more of your money stays invested. Can't afford a full share of Amazon or Tesla? No problem. You can buy pieces of stocks for as little as $5. It's perfect for beginners. It's a simple app, no confusing setup. You can even set up automated portfolios that manage your investments for you. That's what I do. Here's the best part. If you sign up through my link, it's in the video description, and you have to use my link, okay? And fund your SoFi Active Invest account with at least $25. SoFi will give you $25 worth of free stock to kickstart your portfolio, so it's a complete 100% match. You can choose from over 100 popular stocks like Amazon, Apple, Tesla, Disney, Nike, and more. Just click the referral link in the video description below. Open your SoFi Invest account, make your first deposit, $25, and boom, free stock. It's literally money in your pocket just for getting started. Whether you're investing for the first time or just looking for a simpler platform to manage your investments, SoFi Invest makes it easy. I personally use it, and I think you'll love it too. Let's grow our money together. Hit like if this helped you. Subscribe for more money tips. I'll see you in the next video. Now remember, go to the video link in the description below so you can sign up. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. See you in the next one.